I'm your #1 fan. I found you in a car wreck. I've been taking care of you.
Oh, well, just give me a minute and I'll get out of here.
Oh, you don't understand. You're not allowed to leave. See, you're only gonna make videos for me now. You have to start filming VlogTober now. Break a leg.
Ow, my leg.
Unfortunately, this is just one of life's little things.
Hello, welcome to VlogTober 2022. This year I'm going to be doing 12 days of VlogTober. And if you're new here, we like to have a little quirky Halloween fun at Life's Little Things. There may be some strange things happening this year. Speaking of that, I've been feeling a little weird lately. The only thing I could think of was I was going for a walk the other night and I got bit by a dog. And ever since then, really weird things have been happening to me. I hope I don't have rabies. On that note, let's get VlogTober started, shall we? I do want to prep foods for the week because I want to get myself set up with breakfasts and lunches. But first I'm gonna make a lunch because I am hungry and it is around 11:30, it's almost 12 o'clock I think. So I'm gonna quickly prepare some tuna fish. If you are in the market for a new can opener, this Kitchen Mama can opener is my all-time favorite. A few years ago, the company had sent me a can opener. I seriously love that thing. I have the larger one and I have the smaller one, and I don't want to use any other can opener but the Kitchen Mama can opener. I will have the link below because it would make a really good Christmas present too. Need some onion, lettuce. I keep my onion in a brown bag. It just helps with the smell. We don't even smell it in here. And I need some celery. Our weather has been kind of weird lately. I think it's ever since the hurricanes had come through, but it cooled right down. We had several days of rain, but it definitely feels like fall here, and with all the rain that we just got, it was exactly what we needed out here because we just don't get enough rain. Well, we just had a little mishap. Awesome. No! We just recently took Cooper to the vet to get his yearly shots. And the vet had checked him over really well and said that Cooper doesn't have great eyesight. And he ran into my camera stand and tipped it over. Now, we've noticed that something has been wrong with Cooper's eyes for a while. And the doctor said that he has cataracts over both of his eyes, and he said he is having a very hard time seeing. He can see up close, but he can't see far away. And I told Jason, I was like, oh my goodness, he's only 2 years old. He's a baby. And we've always just figured that it was probably from malnourishment when he was a puppy, because when he found us, he was so utterly thin. He was nothing but skin and bones. So the vet told Jason that there is a place that can fix Cooper's eyes, but it's going to cost us $3,000, and the place is in Dallas, and Dallas is 6 hours away. So we would have to get a hotel, stay the night, you know, all of that, plus the $3,000 to get Cooper's eyes fixed. And so if anything is out of order, like if a chair is pushed out, if we have our step stool out, putting up decorations, the camera stand, with it being not the normal floor pattern that he's used to, he runs into things. I'm still working on these pitas that I had in my lunch video. If you haven't seen that, I'll have it linked below. So I am gonna put a little bit of lettuce in here, and I'm going to make me up a tuna fish pita sandwich for lunch. Also, I have this salad, and this is from Fazoli's. It's just a house salad of just vegetables. It looks like it has tomatoes and carrots and all kinds of good stuff in there. And I'm gonna put some fat-free dressing on top of the salad, and I think that's gonna be a really good lunch. All right, one of the first things I wanna do is chop up some peppers and onions. I'm gonna store them in this bag for the day. Because tonight for dinner, we are having fajitas, chicken fajitas. Sounds so good. But I have a red, supposed to be orange, but honestly this one is a little bit orange and a little bit red. a yellow pepper, and then 2 green peppers. I've washed those up and I need to get those chopped. Are you watching the newest Halloween movie with Jamie Lee Curtis this year? Do you think that they'll actually end it after this one? I mean, it's been going on for quite a while, but I love Jamie Lee Curtis. I have a confession though. I don't think I've ever actually watched the Halloween movies from beginning to end. I do not like horror films, and anything that makes me jump, I don't enjoy that. Plus, I don't enjoy gore. Now, I know they're not gory, but that was just a side note. I really just don't like gory movies either. Intense movies I can usually handle, but I have heard that this one is going to be Jamie Lee Curtis's last Halloween film, but she's also going to be in the new Haunted Mansion. I guess that one's coming out by Disney. Are you gonna watch that one? All right. Have you seen the Hocus Pocus movie? We watched it the first day that it came out, and I liked it, but I liked the witches, the 3 original witches. Okay, I have a little bit of a sweet onion, but I also have a little bit of a red onion, so I'm gonna use both of these. I think that'll just be extra flavorful in our fajitas tonight. But the 3 little girls in the beginning, they were just as good as the 3 original witches. And I thought it was good, but not as good as the first one. So did you like the second one? Yes, you liked it? Nah, you really weren't crazy about it. Alright, so I'm excited that all my chopping is done for tonight's dinner. All I have to pretty much do is just dump and cook and eat and enjoy. Cooper, do you want to go? Do you want to go to the mailbox? Okay, you can go tell Justin, I need my collar. Justin! Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way. Go tell Justin. Say, Justin, I need my collar. Go get him.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my face.
The next thing, I need a strainer. Get my favorite one. Oh no, that won't close. Don't you hate that when cupboards do that? It closed. We're good. I got this on Amazon. I will have the link below. I have these grapes and I need to wash these grapes and get them prepped for the week. But I need the storage container first for the grapes. That's in here, which is the laundry room. Okay, I think we can get started. Please don't mind the dirty dishes stacked in my sink. I will be getting to those shortly. Grapes have been extra tasty to me lately. I don't know why, but they have. I get moments where I am craving grapes and I enjoy them. These ones have been very sweet and juicy lately, which that doesn't help my craving, I'm sure. I just keep craving them. And then after a while, I move on to another type of fruit. But I really enjoy fruit because it's a natural sugar and it helps with any sweetness that I'm in the mood for that day. Grapes make a perfect treat, and they're also good frozen. Yeah, we've done that before too. Have you seen the new movie that Reba McEntire is going to be in? Okay, I loved her when she was doing her TV show. Oh my goodness, we watched it from beginning to end. I really like Reba McEntire. I love her singing, but she's a good actress too. She's a very talented woman. And when I saw that she's got a movie coming out where she is a judge, yeah, I am definitely going to be there. It is supposed to be coming out in 2023 and it looks really good. If you haven't seen it, look it up. But yes, I am definitely excited to see her in this role. I mean, Reba McEntire being a judge, that's going to be just awesome. Now it's time to wash some blueberries. Boy, when blueberries are in season, they are the best, sweetest tasting little things on this planet. But when they are not in season, oh my goodness, hang on to your hats, folks, because these little babies get so stinking sour. I mean, I'm talking massive pucker power here. That's how the last 2 batches of blueberries have been. Hopefully the blueberries start getting a little more sweeter than what they've been lately, but no matter what, they are good in antioxidants. So I just keep on buying them and hoping that the next batch will be just as good as my first ones when they're in season. All right, the next thing I want to make And look at that, it's right on the top. Totally planned it. I really didn't. It was just right on the top. Anyway, chocolate chip peanut butter waffles. I have made these before. I have a video, I'll have it linked below. These are so good, and they have me use my little mini waffle maker. They freeze really well, and then to heat them up, I just pop them in my toaster in the morning. It is a very filling breakfast because it has protein in it. Yum. And it's a good quick breakfast that I can grab when I'm heading out the door. Oh, you stuck right on the top of it. While I'm making these waffles, I have to share with you a company called Nutstop sent me a big sampling box of whatever I wanted to choose, which was so very sweet. They did not sponsor this video. It is just so good that I need to share this with you. They have chocolate covered cashews, chocolate covered pecans, all the chocolate covered stuff that you could dream of. They also have dried fruit like cherries, they have pineapple, they have mango, they have a energy mix, trail mix, they have pumpkin seeds, plus they also have dried beans and so much to choose from on their website. I will have their website linked below. They were also sweet enough to give a 10% discount code to any of you that want to order from them. I figured this would be a perfect Christmas gift if you have somebody that you just don't know what to buy for them. You could put together a basket and take it to a neighbor or a teacher, or if you have somebody that lives out of town or out of state, it would be great to order them some of this stuff and have it just shipped right to their address, and you don't even have to worry about it. Getting a little dark here. We are supposed to be in for more thunderstorms today. So I am going to show you our Halloween decorations. We just put them up, so I'll take you around really quickly and show you what we did this year. Over the dining room curtain, I have this black checked garland just laying on the curtain rod, and then underneath of it strung up some little ghosts. My coffee station has Hocus Pocus sign and then a little ghost, and then I have a Raydon Witch's Brew plate, some pumpkins, and a bat. I also have my little Happy Halloween window. And then on the coffee station, I have like a little graveyard kind of thing set up. It's got like boneyard dust and brain juice, and then it has enter if you dare with a hand on the top of it. And then I also have this little trick or treat, give me something good to eat, with a little black crow on the top of that. On the shelf by the laundry room, I just switched out a couple things, kept it basically the same. This is the same as what it was for the fall. I added this little Raydon plate. It says, I put a spell on you, and then a Happy Halloween pumpkin. For my vintage window, I kept it with the witchy style, and I put some bats all over the window. And then Jason ended up attaching two brooms together. I got them on Amazon. I'll have them and the bats and whatever else I've gotten on Amazon. I'll have it linked below. With a little witch's hat, and then this is supposed to be kind of like a spider web type thing. I got it at the dollar store years ago. On the table, this is new. This is a book of spells. It's spooky spells, curses, and potions. I found this at Michael's. I love this. They're all stacked together. And I have my other little potion bottle over here. This one's Dr. Death Poison. And then this is our little cauldron. By the television, we put our Halloween tree again this year. We just kept it simple with the ghosts, and then of course a little skull and the black crow on the top, which is the boys' idea. And then I have a few sprigs stuck in the bottom of the tree just to kind of give it some color, plus it has orange lights on it. We kept our football stuff happening up here, except I added a witch's hat to the helmet. Really super simple stuff, but fun. So that is our Halloween decorations this year. We have not gotten started on our outside decorations yet because it has been raining every single day for like the last, oh my goodness, it's been at least a week. seriously at least a week. It's awesome. It's awesome. I decided to go ahead and multitask while I'm making the waffles. I'm gonna stack up the dishwasher really quickly. I wanted to share a little story about this pink cup. These you can get at Target. The color that I ended up getting was cotton candy, and I ordered it online and it arrived in a box from Target with no bubble wrap, no protection at all around the cup. It was literally just sat in a box. The box was taped and it was shipped to me, and when I got it, the straw was broke. So Target said, go ahead, keep that cup. We're gonna ship you out another cup. Okay, not even kidding you. They did the exact same thing on the second cup, and the straw was broke again. So Jason went on the Reduce website and they sell straws, thank goodness. And there was a pack of 4 straws. There was no pink, of course, darn it. And so we ordered a little pack of straws, got those in, and I have been thoroughly enjoying that Reduce cup from Target. It is such a beautiful color. It has like a darker pink on the bottom of it, and then that light pink. It just makes me happy. It makes me want to drink my water during the day. If they still have that color, I will have it linked. If they don't, they have a ton of colors. They have this beautiful one that is a seafoam blue. I was actually between the cotton candy and then that aqua seafoam blue color. So I will have that linked below for you in case you're looking for a really adorable drinking cup. All right, dishes are not complete, but that's okay because I still have to make dinner and all that. Dishwasher is stacked. I do have it going, and my waffles are cooling. They smell really good. Well, if you haven't tried them, definitely give them a try. They're yummy. So I am gonna take my water and I'm gonna go sit down for a few minutes. It is pouring outside and thundering, and I'm gonna relax for a little bit before my evening starts because Jason will be getting out of work shortly, and then that means dinner and, you know, all that evening stuff starts. So I want to try to scooch in a little bit of sitting time. Dinner's gonna be really easy tonight because all that chopping is pretty much done. For the seasoning, I have just this Taco Bell fajita seasoning is what I'm gonna use on the chicken. Now I'll add the vegetables, and I have to get out the goodies. I am so proud of myself. I remembered the goodies for fajita night. Now, that doesn't always happen, but tonight I have cilantro, I have sour cream, I have guacamole. I didn't think I did, but I do have guacamole. I think I have guacamole. We'll say yes. Well, lo and behold, I remembered a lime too. I am on my game. I also have light sour cream, regular sour cream, and look, did you doubt me? I do have guacamole. Say, hi, I'm Cooper, and I'm starving. It's past 5 o'clock, and my mommy has not fed me yet. All right, this looks so good. I'm having 2 of them. These are the big ones, like the burrito size. So these are 2 points a piece for Weight Watcher folks out there. All right, we're gonna go snuggle in and we're gonna eat and we're gonna watch something. I have no idea. Maybe a movie, maybe a show. Are you okay, babe?
Uh-huh.
What you choking on?
A vegetable.
A vegetable. See, if you eat healthy, it's not always good for you.
Cake doesn't make me choke.
No, cake doesn't make you choke. All right, I am gonna see you tomorrow. Make sure you come back because I got something planned for tomorrow and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Just say it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.